Hello, this is Gurky Joseph here. Hey, it's Maine's Food Reviews coming once again from the Power YouTube. So guys, we are in Waterville, and look at the snow we got today. You guys can see that big pile of snow right over there.
I think we got at least a foot, at least. Close to a foot.
I think we got a foot because look right here, you can tell. Right here, it's about a foot.
Just a foot, yeah.
It's up to Chris's ankle. Put your ankle near there.
Yeah.
It's right up to Chris's ankle right here.
Yeah, so we got a foot at least.
So we get about a foot of snow.
Where we had a blizzard,
So,
we don't know which area is the 2 inch either.
Yeah.
We had a blizzard last.
It was a blizzard. I almost, but it was not good. Chris was too sleepy to. He was too sleepy to go out. I got him up at like 7 in the morning, and he was like, I don't want to go out. So, this is it. So, guys, you can see over there,
Look at all this
over
snow.
here. So, anyway, guys, yeah. So, snow right here.
Actually, we had 2 big
We didn't have too big of storms, but this is the most we got yet. They say we're supposed to get. They say we're supposed to get another storm. Like that's supposed to go. That's supposed to go from today. This is just a break that we're having, and it's supposed to go into Monday morning, all day Sunday and all in this Monday morning. So we're just gonna be walking over to Walgreens, get a couple stuff. So if you guys can see, big snow pile there and up to the roof. That's plowed snow. So yeah. Anyway, guys, yeah. So a little update. It's about a foot of snow.
Yeah, I think it's almost done. We're good.
So this guy's a little bit better right now.
Yeah.
It's not even snow anymore. So hopefully this is not just the eye of the storm.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, subscribe to my channel, Maine's Food Reviews, for more additional content. Remember, subscribe, subscribe to our channel, Maine's Food Reviews, for more additional content. Remember, subscribe, hit the notification button, and remember, Jesus loves you, and we do too. Peace out. Have a good day, guys. God bless.